Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank. In our previous session we came to know that what made Anne Frank to write her diary and what did she feel when she started to write her diary. In the beginning she thought that writing diary is unusual or a strange experience for her because she had never written anything before. That was the one thing. And second thing, she thought in future neither she nor someone else will be interested in her musings. Musings means thoughts. Then also she decided to write diary because she wanted to express some things which are there within her chest, within her heart. Those things she wanted to express through the writing as she did not have any real friend. She did not have any real friend. See. And then she thought paper has more patience than people. Instead of expressing her feelings in front of others, it is better to write the things in diary because paper has more patience than people. So she decided to write diary. Now let's continue. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I am not. Let me put it more clearly. I want to tell it more clearly. Since no one will believe that 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Yeah, generally a question comes to our mind. How is it possible? 13-year-old girl, she doesn't have any friend? She doesn't have any relatives? That question comes to our mind. And I am not. No, it is not like that. I have loving parents and 16-year-old sister. No, I am not alone. I have loving parents and I have a 16-year-old sister also. And there are about 30 people I can call friends. There are about 30 people whom I can call them as my friends. I have a family, loving aunts and good home. Here I have all these things. I have a family, loving aunts and good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything. On the surface level, it seems I have everything. Except my one true friend. See here, she is emphasizing this thing. She has parents, sister and nearly 30 friends, but she did not have a true friend, the close friend or the best friend. See here, except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. Whenever she used to be with her friend, she used to enjoy the time with them. She used to play with them, she used to talk to them. Talk with them. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. But while she was talking with her friends, she used to talk about very ordinary everyday things. She did not want to express the deep feelings of her heart. Some very close matters she did not want to disclose in front of her friends. because she was not thinking them as true friends. See, we don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. Okay, she used to have friendship with them, but it was not a close friendship. Okay, that was the problem. Okay, she was not able to get any closer. Okay, maybe it's my fault and we don't confide in each other, and she accepts that maybe it's her fault. Okay, because she can't confide in each other. Confide means to tell personal things privately to person that one trusts. Okay, she could not express the personal things, okay, or some intimate things in front of others. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. Okay, her friends, they are not going to be changed, and she was also not going to be changed. The things remained same. This is why I started the diary. So, in order to express her feelings, she decided to write in diary. She could not express the feelings, the emotions in front of others. That's why she decided to express all those things through her diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down facts in the diary the way most people would do. She was waiting for a true friend, and at the same time she decided to write diary. And while writing diary, she did not want to jot down. Jot down means write down. Write down facts in this diary the way most people would do. Okay, how people write in diary, in that manner she did not want to write. They just write what happened that day, those about those things they are going to write in the diary. But here she wants to treat her diary as her close friend. While talking to a close friend, how in an intimate manner we are going to talk, in such a way she wants to write her diary. Because of that reason only, she kept a name for her diary. The name is Kitty. See here. I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. How other people would write their diary. In that way, she did not want to write her diary. But I want the diary to be my friend. She wanted to treat her diary as her friend. And I am going to call this friend Kitty. So she kept one name for her diary. That name is Kitty. Okay. Like this, she gave a brief introduction about why did she start to write her diary and what did she write in her diary. Let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching.